Hi, my name is Tina. Let's make a healthy, refreshing, and delicious watermelon cake. This is so easy to make and can be put together within few minutes. It's 100% fruit. This healthy watermelon cake topped with varieties of fruit is a must for your next summer gathering. Before you begin, wash all your fruits. To make a two-tiered watermelon cake, I use a Chinese Cleaver knife to chop off the rinds. Make sure that the bottom is leveled. Then, with the help of a springform pan, I tried to cut out a nice round-shaped watermelon for the bottom tier. The smaller pieces of watermelon are kept aside to be eaten, while the bigger pieces will be used for our watermelon cake. After I am satisfied with the shape, I moved on to prep the top tier. Cut out a smaller round-shaped watermelon with flat base. Remember those bigger pieces of watermelon? Using a cookie cutter, cut out shapes on watermelon, honeydew, or cantaloupe as your cake decoration. Here I use a simple round shape and flower shaped cookie cutter. You can use different shapes to match the party theme. Now with these fancy small dessert skewers, insert blueberries, grapes through the skewer. It's always nice and cleaner to have your fruits presented on a skewer. Makes it easier for your guests to eat as well. Wipe off the watermelon juice from the plate with a paper towel. Here, to create the topper, I used a fruit fork. Insert the flower-shaped watermelon and green grape for a color contrast, like so. You can also lay strawberries on the top tier, insert a number-shaped fruit or a number-shaped candle. Here I decided to decorate the top tier and the second layer with fruit skewers and varieties of fruits. Voila! Here is your quick and easy DIY healthy watermelon cake. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Make sure to turn on your notification bell. I upload every Mondays. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to watch this video on 5 adorable and easy baby diaper cakes to make at home. You will be glad that you did. Stay well.